Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Oyster card to your Apple Wallet. These are official Apple instructions. I'm going to show you how to do this for your iPhone and also for your Apple Watch. Okay, so on your iPhone you want to open up the Apple Wallet app. Okay, tap on the plus button, the add button, and then you want to tap on travel card to add a new travel card, or you want to tap previous card to add a travel card that you've previously already added to the Apple Wallet app. Now you choose a travel card from the list, or you can search by location or card name. In this case, you want to just type in Oyster. Once you find it, click on continue once you tap on that, and then choose an amount to put on your card, and then tap on add. And if you select a pass to add it to your card, just tap on buy, okay? Just follow the on-screen steps, confirm your purchase, and add your travel card. For Apple Watch, this is what you do. Okay, on your Apple Watch, open up the wallet app, scroll down and tap on add card, and then just go ahead and tap travel card, right, to add the new card. Select it from the list, choose it, or you can search it up, right? Just tap on continue, choose the amount you want to add to your card, and tap on add money. The same process basically. And if you want to select a pass to add, tap on buy, follow the on-screen instructions, and enjoy. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.